If you're a thumbnail designer and you don't know how to design thumbnails using AI, you'll soon be out of the market. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail like this in the shortest time using AI. So stay with me until the end of the video. I'm Mikhail and welcome to your own channel. First, you create the initial draft in Photoshop or any other program. Then you go to the ChatGPT website and upload your image and write your prompt for it. But before you write your prompt, keep this in mind. The more detailed you are in your description, the higher the quality of the result you'll get. So be clear in your request, and you'll receive a clear result. To turn this drawing into a professional thumbnail, you must include this exact text. The image should be in 1920 by 1080 resolution and in 4K quality. Next, you need to clearly and precisely describe exactly what you want, with full details. And that's exactly what I did, providing everything I wanted in detail. At the end of your prompt, make sure to write, "The image must be realistic." And just like that, this awesome image was delivered to me in under 5 minutes. Now, if you want to add lighting effects, what should you do? Just tell it exactly what you want, with full and detailed descriptions, and I've written that right here. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like and left a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Until the next video, see you.